Let me show you how to block calls on WhatsApp. Now, if you're on WhatsApp and you keep getting these calls from random numbers and you don't want to get them, or if it's a friend or contact number that keeps calling you and you don't want to get any calls, I'll show you how to do it. Now, I'm on an iPhone, but you can do the exact same steps on an Android. The first thing we can do is tap on the call section here at the bottom left. Now let's navigate to a call. Let's say this Trevor Android, I wanted to block calls from that specific person. First, I'm going to walk you through steps for a specific contact or person that keeps calling you that you don't want to call you. And then I'm going to walk you through some more general broad steps on how to prevent all those spam calls from unknown numbers. Now, the first thing we'll do is tap on the little I right next to their name. And there you can see you're in the contact section. All I need to do is scroll down here and I have a couple different options. One is I can choose to block this number. If I go through and block this number, they won't be able to call me anymore. Essentially, if they try to call me, it won't ring at all. It won't notify them that I blocked them as well. Now, if you don't necessarily want to block them, you still want to message them. You just don't want them to be able to call you. You can even just go in here and choose another option to just tap on notifications and then mute notifications. You can set this to always, and then alert tone, you can set it to none. Essentially what this means is you've muted them. So even if they text you or message you or call you, you won't ever get a notification when they do that, but they will be able to call and message. Now, this is an option for an individual person. Again, in your calls or in chats, of course, you can just tap on the message and then tap at the very top to get to that same screen. Now, let's go back out of here and do a couple of things that are more broad and general for spam calls. We need to get your settings to do this. So on iPhone, you can see settings at the bottom right. However, on Android, it'll be 3 dots at the top left or top right, and then you'll be able to get to your settings. From here, the very first thing that we will do is tap on privacy here. And within privacy, you can see midway down is calls. Let's tap on that. And it says silence unknown callers. Calls from unknown numbers will be silenced as long as they're not in your contacts list. They will not ring to your WhatsApp app and ring on your iPhone or Android phone. You don't need to be worried about those. However, I would also recommend going back out of here and tapping on last seen and your status or profile photo. Any of these that are set to everyone, this will allow all these people to be able to see when you're online and be able to call you. So you might want to set it to my contacts or nobody. And then same with profile photo, I would switch this to nobody. Essentially set all of these as limited as possible, depending on your specific preferences, so that people won't be able to see when you're online, your profile photo, all that stuff, to try to message or call you without you wanting them to. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.